But transferred to Imus right before the opening.
Very important here, Javi. Knowing that South Cotabato actually had pa sila ng participation sa preseason tournament and even from last season, halos the same na din yung lineup eh. Expectations must be really sky high now for Coach.
Power to their roster. Guys like Val Acuna, a capable scorer, Jammer Hamito, someone who can really give them a lot of help inside on both ends of the floor. Plus, with ball movement here early on to start for Imus. Well, Coach June was just appointed head coach, I think just last week, so not really a lot of time to have ample preparation.
J.R. Somido squeezes himself through traffic. Steno was waiting for the extra pass. Cruz again. Mark Cruz back-to-back with Hamito. Wala ang kanyang drive. Here comes Jervy Cruz. Nice pass to Hamito for the 2 points and an early timeout. Para dito sa Imus, he played for Jensen last season. Enriquez, the Alvarez jumper is good.
Alvarez, very little playing time last year playing under his brother Rich Alvarez. Right now, this is a team that he can really shine in considering the young talent.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. Nice to have a competition within the squad itself as Jammer Hamito.
Huwag ka naman matamaan.
15-7. John Wilson fires, and that's another. Cruz gets to his spot. One-hander, won't go. Popovich gives it up to Alvarez for the deuce. 17-9, 2.5 minutes remaining. Inside, Tolentino lays it in. Tolentino grabs the rebound. Takbo ang South Cotabato. Cruz waits for Tolentino. Tolentino will fire. Yes!
Shot you want in transition opportunity. You have to go hard to the basket to try to draw a foul. If not, get an easy 2 points. So, Rene Pacquiao.
Spins, wala. He wins the rebounding battle though. Elorde finds Acuna. Val for three. Abreco finds Acuna, fading away. It's the front of the rim. Palpalang inabot ni Pajarito, but he doesn't give up. Enriquez gets it back and knocks down the corner jumper. Hoson. Napahirapan ni Tapeño. Hoson could not get the finger roll to drop. Tapeño nagmamadali. Down the middle he goes and 32-14. Lamang ng 18 points ang South Cotabato. Here's a Preco. Gives it up to Val Acuna.
You have to be really in his grill to be able to force a miss.
Abreco, turnaround shot. That's good.
Para kay Coach Elvis Tolentino.
Imus, no answer so far. Tapeño for South Cotabato. Elorde, dire-derecho, gets the roll. Game kasama si Jimly Lantaya, homegrown player ng South Cotabato. May Landicho also on the floor. Landicho for three. Masalaniban. Leaving through traffic. Nahanap si Marlon Wico for the 2 points.
Right there inside for Imus. He had Steinel also near Wico. A good thing that Aniban was still able to get it to Wico to get the 2 points.
Enzo Hoson. First game between Imus and the South Cotabato Warriors. 2 more games on the schedule. Wico. Here's the drive. It's Tapillo. Karen Tolentino. It could be a possible position para sa kanya. No?
Yeah.
moving forward in his career as Tapeño.
It's to happen here.
And also you have to remember, South Cotabato rather. And kailangan pa, bakit di siya tumatanda eh. Kailangan talaga natin eh.
He looks the same as he was when he was still playing with Letran.
In high school. Letran High School. Kasi actually, see? Na-cover ko to sa maglaro. Paired with Glenn Cobuntin. Actually.
That was quite the roster. Really scrappy, physical Letran basketball.
May Batak pa dun eh. But very, very young Ray ng Batak. Cruz to Acuna. Extra pass to Rene Pacquiao who's having... Tapos na para kay Rene Pacquiao.
They're just doing everything here, South Cotabato. Not really much mistakes being made here. Maybe except for that stretch when Coach Elvis Tolentino decided to go. It's spot day today against Rene Pacquiao.
Lionel knocks down the jumper.
Put Kerry Water, but you know, there has been no difference in his game from when he was with Adamson until now. I was expecting him to slow down a bit against Bicol.
To 31, Stainel gets the position pero did not get the shot to go. Acuna, that's a beautiful Acuna. There's Tapeño. Did not get past Wilson. Stainel, jumper, that's good. Now up to 9 points. Cruz lost the handle. Tapeño attacks and scores. Basket and one.
Brute strength coming from Luis Tapeño.
64-38. Imos already scoring 14 points here in the third. Cruz, three-pointer, Jervy Cruz. To 38. Cruz to Jervy again. Jervy Cruz. Bato ngayong hapon.
You know, Cruz was actually a 40% three-point shooter last year.
That's 13 para kaya Jervy. Already with 10 triples itong South Cotabato. So Mido fading away. That won't go. Mark Cruz with a rebound. Quickly to John Wilson. Wilson finds Val Acuna. Coach Elvis just reminding his team, no? Kahit malaki lamang natin, gotta respect the game. Tapeño inside, that's good. Rebound ni Estabilio, balik sa Imos ang bola. Here's Camacho. Back to Tapeño. He'll take his time. Stainel asking for it. Tolentino making life difficult for Tapeño. 10 to shoot. That's a steal. Jervy Cruz all the way to the cup.
Beautifully and finishing that layup on the break. The pressure defense on the ball has been so heavy here para dito sa South Cotabato. Imagine having 3 dog defenders in Enzo Oso, Nico Elorde, and Cal Tolentino, all of them preventing. Backcourt of Imos continuing to have a hard time setting up the offense here.
Enzo Oso by Fajarito. Nico Elorde. Tolentino free for 3. Pasok yan.
Put the ball down. As soon as he catches, he gets into his shot pocket and has a quick release.
Camacho inside. Alvarez using the fake. Wala. Taken away by Hamito. Tolentino all alone.
He wanted to slam that. Medyo napitit lang yung talon.
Alvarez. Bumawi.
Make sure that his boys continue to stay sharp here in this game.
Tolentino all the way to the cup. Walang bantay doon. You know, especially coming off 2 upsets last night.
Oh,
no?
yeah.
Medyo may expectation tayo. Kaso hindi mamimit ngayong,
Hindi.
hindi kayang i-meet ng Imos ngayong araw.
And South Cotabato made sure that those upsets wouldn't happen today. At least in their game.
Oo. Preco. Tolentino for 3. Yes, that's 3-pointer.
Ni Coach Elvis.
Para may add ka sa isang already loaded lineup, meaning to say may aambag ka pa sa kanila. So sa tingin mo, ano
Nido, Elorde quickly to Acuna. Back to Elorde. Pinabantayan ni Tapeño. Elorde. Acuna for 3. That's good.
And it's not familiar with each other as well. So you still have to applaud the effort of Luis Tapeño for being able to try and give a semblance.
They would need everyone this season
Yeah.
to step up. Considering kung gaano ka-loaded ang mga teams natin ngayong taon, Navi.
The North squads, that division really stacked, but
Ang
many
South, matindi din.
many people don't notice what Davao is building. Zamboanga has shown a good game in their first batch of the season. What else? Actually, Bicoros actually also a tough team to contend with.
So Mido finally. So 15 3-pointers, Javi, for South Cotabato. Delmar Mahaling. You know, pakita na hindi totoo yung sumpa.
Munti ka na rin.
Foul pa. Oh, buti na lang. And that's it. The Warriors registered their first win of the season under Coach